What happens to your driver license if you refuse to take a chemical test, breath or blood? I. There is no evidence to find you guilty of drunk driving. B. You cannot be arrested for drunk driving. C. Your driver license will be taken away. D. None of these choices. Answer: C. Your driver license will be taken away. You are making a left turn from a two-way street into a one-way street. When you have completed the turn, your car should be A. In the right lane of the street. B. In the center of the street. C. In the left lane of the street. D. In the lane with the least traffic. Answer: C. In the left lane of the street. In which of the following situations is passing always forbidden? A. The vehicle ahead is making a left turn. B. You are on a one-way street which has two lanes. C. The vehicle ahead is going to park parallel to the curb. D. The vehicle ahead is stopped for a pedestrian in a crosswalk. Answer: D. The vehicle ahead is stopped for a pedestrian in a crosswalk. The Do Not Enter sign is used to prevent A. Entrance to full parking lots. B. Entrance to road construction areas. C. Entrance to dead-end streets. D. Wrong-way entrance on one-way streets and expressway ramps. Answer: D. Wrong-way entrance on one-way streets and expressway ramps. After you have passed a car, you should return to the right lane when you A. See the front bumper of the other car in your mirror. B. Have put your turn signal on. C. Have turned your headlights on. D. See the other car's headlights come on. Answer: A. See the front bumper of the other car in your mirror. What effect does drinking alcohol and taking a prescription drug or over-the-counter medicine have? A. The medicine reduces the effect of the alcohol. B. The alcohol will help the medicine cure the cold. C. The combination could multiply the effects of the alcohol. D. No effect, they are different substances. Answer: C. The combination could multiply the effects of the alcohol. Which of the following must you obey over the other three? A. A steady red light. B. A police officer. C. A stop sign. D. A flashing red light. Answer: B. A police officer. Which of the following statements is true about BAC, blood alcohol content? A. The breathalyzer is a test of a person's back. B. A chemical test for BAC is needed for an alcohol conviction. C. BAC levels are reduced by a person's physical fitness. D. After drinking, coffee or a cold shower will lower your BAC. Answer: A. The breathalyzer is a test of a person's back. Which of the following is used on some highways to direct drivers into the proper lanes for turning? A. Flashing red lights. B. Flashing yellow lights. C. White lines on the side of the road. D. White arrows in the middle of the lanes. Answer: D. White arrows in the middle of the lanes. You want to back out of your driveway. You see children playing nearby. Before you start to move your car, you should A. Race your motor to warn the children that you are moving. B. Sound your horn so the children will hear you. C. Walk to the back of the car to be sure the way is clear. D. Tell the children to stay away from the driveway. Answer: C. Walk to the back of the car to be sure the way is clear. The proper way to make a right turn is to A. Signal, look over your right shoulder, and pull into the right lane before turning. B. Signal and look over your right shoulder as you move into the right lane and turn right. C. Signal at least 100 feet before the turn and move into the right lane when it is safe to do so. D. Signal and keep to the center of the lane. Answer: C. Signal at least 100 feet before the turn and move into the right lane when it is safe to do so. When parking uphill with a curb, your wheels should be A. Turned away from the curb. B. Turned towards the curb. C. Kept straight, parallel to the curb. D. Any direction, if the parking brake is set. Answer: A. Turned away from the curb. On highways, an HOV lane signifies A. High occupancy vehicle lane, for vehicles with multiple occupants. B. Heavy occupancy vehicle lane, for large trucks. C. High octane vehicle lane, for fast vehicles. D. Haul-only vehicle lane, for cargo vehicles. Answer: A. High occupancy vehicle lane, for vehicles with multiple occupants. Pedestrians crossing at corners have the right of way. A. Only at controlled intersections. B. In marked or unmarked crosswalks. C. Only when a crossing guard is present. D. Only when following traffic signals. Answer: B. In marked or unmarked crosswalks. When a school bus is stopped with flashing lights on the opposite side of a divided highway, you should A. Stop until the lights are no longer flashing. B. Slow down and pass with caution. C. Continue at normal speed. D. Stop if children are crossing the road. Answer: C. Continue at normal speed. When following another vehicle at night, dim your headlights within A. 500 feet of the vehicle. B. 200 feet of the vehicle. C. 300 feet of the vehicle. D. 100 feet of the vehicle. Answer: B. 200 feet of the vehicle. Upon encountering a steady yellow traffic light, you should A. Accelerate to pass before red. B. Stop immediately. C. Proceed with caution, stopping if not safe to proceed. D. Maintain speed as the light will soon be green. Answer: C. Proceed with caution, stopping if not safe to proceed. When there are 4 or more lanes with traffic moving in opposite directions, what do 2 solid yellow lines mark? A. The center of the roadway. B. Carpool lanes. C. Lanes moving in the same direction. D. The left edge of the roadways. Answer: A. The center of the roadway. When can you drive in a bike lane? A. During rush hour traffic if there are no cyclists in the lane. B. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. C. When you want to pass a driver ahead of you who is turning right. D. Never. Answer: B. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. When parking uphill on a two-way street with no curb, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the left, away from the street. B. Turn to the right, toward the street. C. Parallel with the pavement. D. Turn to the right, away from the street. Answer: A. Turn to the left, away from the street. When you are driving in the far right lane on a freeway, you A. Must drive slower than other traffic. B. Must drive faster than other traffic. C. Should expect vehicles entering and exiting. D. Should concentrate only on the road in front of you. Answer: C. should expect vehicles entering and exiting. When you tailgate other drivers, drive close to their rear bumper. A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. B. Your actions cannot result in a traffic citation. C. You help reduce traffic congestion. D. It helps you to follow the vehicle closely to save fuel. Answer A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. With a Class C driver's license, a person may drive A 3-axle vehicle if the gross vehicle weight is less than 6,000 pounds. B. Any 3-axle vehicle regardless of the weight. C. A vehicle pulling 2 trailers. D. All of the above. Answer A. A 3-axle vehicle if the gross vehicle weight is less than 6,000 pounds. To turn left from a one-way street onto a one-way street, start from A. The lane closest to the left curb. B. Any lane as long as it is safe. C. The lane in the center of the street. D. The lane closest to the right curb. Answer A. The lane closest to the left curb. This sign means A. Trucks under 18,000 pounds allowed. B. Hill ahead. C. Truck stop ahead. D. A steep hill ahead. Answer D. A steep hill ahead. This sign means A. Highway changes. B. Hiking trails ahead. C. Hotel ahead. D. Hospital ahead. Answer D. Hospital ahead. This sign means A. Divided highway ahead. B. One-way traffic ahead. C. Divided highway ends. D. 4-lane highway ahead. Answer C. Divided highway ends. This sign means A. 4-lane traffic ahead. B. Divided highway ahead. C. 2-way traffic ahead. D. Intersection ahead. Answer C. 2-way traffic ahead. What is the best advice for driving when heavy fog, dust, or precipitation occurs? A. Try not to drive until the conditions improve. B. Do not drive too slowly, because other drivers may hit you. C. Use your high-beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead. D. Follow the taillights of the vehicle ahead. Answer A. Try not to drive until the conditions improve.